Hello and welcome back to our Solution YouTube channel, Zoho Creator tutorial series. My name is Amjad. In this video, we will learn how to create a different multiple forms in Zoho Creator and create a link of a form with another. So we can create a simple form. Just click over the create new form or the plus button at the left top. Just clicking it, we will create a form from scratch. First of all, it will ask the name of a form which you are creating. Just click the create form button and here we are. Uh, you can see that there are multiple buttons and fields are available. You can add to this form. Just double click it. That field will be add in this form. You can name it whatever you want. So let's create name. If you forgot to add another field, just click the builder button and the form will be reopened. You can add whatever field do you want. So our form is created. Let's create another form from scratch. Let's name it sales memo. Click it and let's add to auto generated number field in it and name it to serial number. Now we can add a lookup field. There will be the lookup of a product form that we recently created and of a product name. Just done it and name it to product name or name it just product whatever you want and make it mandatory and let's add a per unit price currency field. Name it unit price. Unit price and also market mandatory. Let's add a quantity field in it and name it to quantity. Let's add a excluding amount field and name it to excluding amount. And now add the percentage field tax rate. What will be the tax rate in it? And market mandatory. And now let's add the tax amount field. What will be the tax amount after implementing the tax rate? Okay, and now add the including amount. Including amount. Okay, that's it. Now let's create another form, customer information form. Customer information. First of all, add a customer name. Market is mandatory. And few more fields of email address and a market mandatory and shipping address. Okay, and done. Now create a form of a invoice and invoice form. And let's add a auto generate invoice number, invoice number, and add a local field of a customer information form and mark it mandatory, and add another fields of email address and address. In our coming video, we will see how to auto-populate the multiple fields by the input of a single field. Here you can see that we can add a sub form of a already existing form that we can use again and again in a multiple forms. So here is the sub forms, and name it to sales memo or whatever you like, and done. Here we done our making different forms, and here is the interface of the forms that we have created, and you can see that it is our product form, sales memo, customer information form, and the sales invoice form. And in the coming video we will see by using dialog we can hide or unhide multiple fields, and or able or disable multiple fields by using dialog, or auto populate the field input of a one field, and auto populate the data in another fields. So stay tuned with us. Thank you for watching.